72, it's about 60 degrees in here. It's not kicking on. Kind of a weird place for a thermostat, a bathroom. Let's check it out. This old propane heater. Pilot was on. I disconnected the wires through the thermostat, which pulled out the other wire for the pilot, so that's why the pilot's out. But the pilot was lit when I got here, so we're gonna check for continuity between these two wires, because they should have continuity with the thermostat calling. All the thermostat's doing is closing that circuit, so the other end of the wire should be closed, which means we should have continuity at this end. We're gonna test that with the beep. So check that. Two thermostat wires, R and our W. Nothing. Let you guys hear that. What it should sound like. Put on each end of the wire. So we have one on one wire, one on the other wire. Nothing. So it looks like it's probably a thermostat issue. Hopefully it's not a broken wire. Hopefully it's just a thermostat issue. Pilot's back on. We're going to see if we can verify that it's a thermostat issue. We're going to do that. We're going to go up, try to jump out the thermostat manually and see if this comes on. That way we'll bypass the thermostat and just see, make sure there's no breaks to the wires or anything. And if it works, then we're going to have to replace that thermostat. W looks okay, so it's not wired incorrectly. And what we're going to do is we're going to twist these wires together or jump them, see if the downstairs unit comes on. All right, let's go see if it came on. Bad thermostat. All right, let's pop one on there, and then should be all set. See burners in there, nice and blue. All right, let's go pop a thermostat in. Paint around it. The thermostat's way smaller than the other one. Well, they had that like weird case thing on it, so that's probably why. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to cut it short or anything. We'll strip that back. Just a jumper for the heating and the AC. This is a heat-only thermostat, so there's no AC on it or anything. Just R&W. Set it at 62, it's 59 in here. Let's make sure, got our batteries in there. Heat. Let's see if she came on. That's what we're looking for. It's not rocket science. Simple as that. Jump out the thermostat, see if it works. If you're not getting continuity down at the gas valve where we should be, put a new thermostat in there and she's up and running. Nice and easy.